Hi guys, this is Maria from Mari's Way of Life. Welcome back to this your channel. I am going to do rainy days challenges from Two Sister Bees using my husband's third paycheck of November. We are married. We have two girls. One is 13 and the other one is 6 years old. I'm excited to fulfill challenges and allocate the money that was played last week and play again to allocate for the following. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, let's take out the money. I'm so glad this time around, or this week, I had time to actually separate the money for each video. So the money that I'm playing with gets separated because not everything goes into like challenges. Also goes to my cash wallet envelopes. Anyway, so we have 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 going into rainy day challenges. Let's go ahead and look at this book and put this to the side. And we are going to work with, well, let's go ahead and get started. What do we do? I don't even know what to do. Let's go ahead and do our 100 challenge. And we are putting $10 bills in here. And we're starting a new row. It is very exciting. We're on our last two. So let's do 81 through 84 and color that in. All right, that means we put in 10, 20, 30, 40. Let's bring out the binder. This binder right here, I got off of Amazon, and I realized that the link I have, I think it's like sold out or whatever, but they still do have it. And I would try and find a new link. If you can't find it, let me know. But definitely a very good price. It ranges from like $12 to $15. And then I just copied the dashboard into a larger one from Two Sister Bees and bought the stickers. I love them. So I plan to use this one next year as well. The goal is to do the 100 envelope challenge the way a lot of people do it, like stuffing in $65 instead of just the 10. But this year I had to actually started it like that, and I changed it because I really wanted to finish this year to pay off debt, and this actually is going to pay off debt to a family member, so that's exciting. And it's super easy, and I love doing this. Like, it just brings me so much satisfaction. Now next year I think I might use prop money for this, but I really don't want to buy it. And then at the same time, I'm like, do I have to take this binder to my mom's safe? Because that's usually where I put it. I don't know. We'll see how that unravels. But I'm excited to start the other one next year. So that is it for this one. And then we have, just for fun, I like to see how many little sheets we have, because we do 4 a week. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, and then I can pay off some debt with this. Very exciting. So let's go ahead and move on to the next challenges, and those would be actually the 2 envelopes that are remaining here will be for, let's go in here, to the winter seasons. So that should be in this one right here. We have 10 for last week, And this week I am allotting, let me take a look. I'm doing $20. Oh yes, so I'll do the snowflakes and the mugs, I think. Let's do that. That will be exciting actually. And I love coloring with these light colors when the sheet is not laminated. So let's take our time and relax for a moment. It's going to take me a little bit because I'm doing snowflakes. Yeah. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, done with that part. And now, oh, let's cross off snowflakes for $10. And then I'm going to do another $10 for the mugs, I think. That's what I want to do. That was so much fun. It took forever, but honestly, I really enjoyed it. So now we have 20, 25, 30 going into seasons. And then for months, we are going to go ahead and add 30 because that's what we got last time in the dice game. So let's go ahead and take a look at that really quick. Yep, that's $30. So let's go ahead and see how much we have here. That's 1,050, 1,100, 20, 30, 32, 34, 36, $1,136. Oh my God, $1,136. And I need $1,300 to pay off debt here. So definitely getting really close to that. And that makes me like, I literally have goosebumps. Like, it's so exciting. I can't even. That is awesome. Very awesome. So let's go ahead and play for next week. And then in the winter challenge that we just did, I want to see what we have left over here. I want to do, I think we'll add 20 if possible. Candy canes and clothing accessories. We can color the rest of it and just do the 20. And that way we're done with this one. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. But let's go ahead and roll the dice for this one. Ready? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All pretty high numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 6s. And then we have a 5 and a 1. This is like, wow, very intensive. Very, very intensive. Okay, so we have 6, which is $2. I mean $2, which is $6. I was looking at this. And then we have 6, which now gives us 12, right? And then if we add 6, that gives us 18. 1, 2, 3, and then we have 4, which gives us 24. Why did I say 4? I think because I was thinking of 24. Oh my goodness, really? It's not 4, it's 6. Let's see how this takes it. Not bad. Okay, and then we have 5, which gives us 29. Really? And then 1, which gives us a total of $30 again. Yeah, 6 times 4 is 24, plus 5, 29, plus 1, 30. Oh my goodness. Very interesting. Okay, so the point of the game is to roll the dice and then keep going. And then if we have to stop because we can't fulfill something, then it goes to like debt or something. Yeah, savings or debt. And then if you're able to go all the way through, you can allot it to whatever category you want. So any of these funds can go to the category. But I already know I want to pay debt with this. So actually, that's not bad. I'm not complaining. It'll get me there faster. So $30 for next week as well. Very interesting. All right, so let's close this out. And I think I am done this time around. Only 2 Sister Beast challenges today. I switched my videos just a little bit. So definitely had fun doing this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am excited to finish some of these up and start new ones in the new year. I do want to film what I'm planning to do next year, but I'm not there just yet. So thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you guys very much. Have a blessed day. Bye.